Okay.
Choo-choo on board!
Train.
On board!
Train, a train.
We are board for this hurts. Come on, Bert, let's chug along. My bodies.
Would you? On a train.
Are you fun for you?
Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere.
Woo!
I do not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them.
Sam, I am. Whoa, Sam, I am. What are you doing?
Nothing, Ham. Your best friend Aids are here today, aren't you?
I know, Sam. Look at that train. He's a mighty locomotive.
I know he is, Ham. Look at him.
Oh boy, that sounds about the junction.
Avenger Junction. Here we go. Choo-choo. All aboard.
Yeah, cuckoo. All aboard and let's stop to the Avenger Junction. Over now, I brought the gun for my snow smoke jack. When I was in my locomotive, with engineer by their side.
He's got a plan, aren't you? Yes, Train. You and Cuckoo are old buddies, right? Yes, we are, engineer. We honestly are.
You're right, Cuckoo.
My best friend. Do you know where Tree and Daisy were? Tree and Daisy? I had no idea how she went. Do you know where Tree is? Well, he's probably a tree because so he's probably still in with his best friend Daisy. You know she's there, right? Really?
No, she is, Cuckoo. Daisy's also my best friend of all buddies. She's one of the forest farmers hurts. I'm just a mighty locomotive.
The mighty locomotive? Wow, seriously, aren't you the mighty locomotive?
I'm much more. See, look at her click on you. See?
Train.
I just have a real, my friends. I'm not so artist from Siller, aren't you?
Really, Train? Here's a dance. Gear wheels on a rhythm.
Whoa.
Hear the beat, hear the beat. Oh yeah, hear the beat.
I do not like this train. Don't worry, guy. He's so fun and my locomotive. Do you know where he's are? Yeah, he's probably still in the train line. Or train station in Meadville. The Meadville? Yeah, Meadville, let's go. We need a Jenny by their side. Fillmore and Wendy are by their side in the train seats. Whoa, Mom, look at that train. I know it's Fillmore. Look at him. He's probably a mighty locomotive. Yeah, he is. He is a mighty locomotive. I know he is. With his old buddy, Cuckoo. So he's probably with his little whistle. Well, do you know when Wendy's that train?
Where's the Cuckoo?
She said that she's a Euro mighty locomotive, aren't you?
Or what's more, Cuckoo? Here's what's up when Greenberg was here. Look at him. Hello, how? Wait, I mean, his name is Hal, actually. So he's probably a Greenberg with his, Greenberg. And listen to him. Aren't you, Cuckoo?
Yeah, I think Hal is a great bird because he's probably a great person, aren't you? Here's a car. Look at him.
Car.
Whoa, did you just hear me, Cuckoo?
Yes, car, I click on you.
Really? Thank you so much, my best friend.
You're welcome, car.
Ready to be into the dark. Come on. Aboard, let's stop to the dark tunnel. Choo choo! Whoa! Whoa! Stay in the dark. Here in the dark. Would you? Could you? In the dark? I would not. Could not in the dark. That one's probably scary. Isn't it, guy? This is so mysterious and eerie for the dark. But the tunnel is very dark in air. So could you in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark.